Okay, I'm filthy. You should see my legs. Oh, I'm not wearing pants. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is an unboxing video. I normally try these on, but I was actually in the middle of a video, which is what I'm wearing right now. It's for a tutorial for another video. So I didn't have a chance to try this box on, but I am going to show you everything and tell you about them. So it'll just be a regular unboxing today. So this is the regular Boxy Charm, which is $25 a month. And if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, I'll go ahead and link that above so you guys can see that. That's the Boxy Unpremium. It's not an what? And that's the Boxy Premium, and I did an unboxing and try on with that box. So the theme for this month is glamping, and I've never glamped in my life. So let's go ahead and go over these products. So first we got Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I actually have two of the, why am I holding that up? I actually have two of these already, and neither of them are this color. This is the color of my foundation. This is the color Shortbread. So I think for a light foundation day, I probably can just wear this as a foundation because this, of course, I've got swatches. What? Just ignore my hands. Okay. If you guys are new to my channel, I always have swatches on my hands. Always, no matter what. Find a video that I don't have swatches of. I'll give you $100. Not really. I'm broke. Oh, orange. Anyways, I'm probably just gonna use this as foundations. I cannot use that as an under eye anything. And that is $29. The next is Violet Voss. I love Violet Voss, y'all. I love her matte formula. My favorite palette ever is Sugar Crystals. Okay, so I got the Violet Voss Essentials 2. This is $36. And these are mostly neutrals, and there is like 4 pops of color. So, ooh, copper. Oh, coppers look really, really amazing on brown eyes. So there is 4 pops of color here. And then there's a row of neutrals here. It looks like there is 4 mattes and the rest are shimmers. So let's see here. Do you guys want some swatches of these? I'll just go ahead and swatch them real quick. There's only 10. Hold on. Okay, I'm filthy. You should see my legs. Oh, I'm not wearing pants. Oh, this isn't straight at all. Okay, wait, there. Oh, wait, no, there we go. Oh, that's not focusing. This is... No, that's not working. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, there, I got them. Okay, here's the swatches for that palette. So you can see the shimmers went on beautifully. The mattes are just beautiful. I love Violet Voss's formula for everything. I mean, she just has really, really beautiful makeup. I actually can't wait to wear this. And I have the first Essentials palette. I also have another one that I got in BoxyCharm. Oh, which one was it? It looks like Modern Renaissance, and I can't think right now. And I don't want to walk 5 steps to go get it, so we'll just leave you guessing. Did I say that was $36? Jeez. Okay, the next is Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Leaves lips feeling hydrated for hours with a matte lipstick formula. That's cool. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I love matte lipsticks. $26. She's expensive. Oh, that's cool. Ooh! Oh no. Can I zoom in on this? Look at that. Whoa. For anyone who likes pimples, this is going to be their new favorite lipstick. Whoa, my eyeballs. We don't need to be that close. We're not that close. So this color is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, she pretty. Kind of has like a salmon-y color to it. Like a salmon, red, lobster. What else is this color? Watermelon. Oh, so hot. Okay, the next is Minetan Body Skin Hydra Glow. I am never wearing my hair down again. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, and this is $44.95. Wow. Y'all, I'm sorry. It's so hot in here. You instantly absorb with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. So I'm not going to try this on because I'm melting already. Hyaluronic acid is awesome. Did you know that hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water? So if you put it on your skin, it grabs water from the environment and it plumps up any lines. It's the most amazing thing ever. So if this is a sleep serum, then it gives you a boost for, you know, the entire 8 hours you sleep. I don't sleep for 8 hours. It's hilarious. I've got 3 kids. I sleep for 2. And this was $44.95. The next is Realher Definer Brow Pencil. Now, I don't tend to use brow pencils, but this one, let's see here, because it's stuck. Gotcha. Ooh. This one is really, really thin at the end. So actually, I might enjoy this. And it's like a really nice dark brown, like my brows. So let's zoom in here and let me put in some brow hairs right in the beginning. I guess I'll go ahead and try this one. Where's my mirror? It is really thin. You can see it there. It's got a clump on it, so that's cool. Ooh. I like that. Okay. I am impressed with that. Look at those lines. Wow, they almost look real. I went ahead and gave myself some eyebrows on the other side as well, little eyebrow hairs. So you guys, that was a really nice box. Let me just go over everything. I'm gonna love that lipstick, I already know. I love Violet Voss. This Too Faced, I'll use this as a concealer. That Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum, hyaluronic acid is the coolest thing ever. And I actually super duper love that brow pencil. So this was a win-win box all around. And here is the box total. But that is all I have for this video, you guys. Let me know what you got in your... I'm so hot in here. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxy Charms this month. Let me know if you have any of these items and if they are like your holy grails. I've never tried... Oh, that's so cute. I've never tried this eyebrow pencil before, but I think it might become a staple in my... Oh, that was $16. Did I even say that? Probably not, because I'm way too hot in here. So hot. Anyways, that is all I have for this video, y'all. And if you guys are interested in this stuff on my face, I have a tutorial coming out tomorrow-ish, or next day-ish. So it'll be up soon. It's called the Divina Butterfly Kaleidoscope Collection. So if you guys want to see this tutorial, then you guys should see that video later. Okay, that's all I have for this video. I'll see you later. Bye! Oh my god, my boobs are so sweaty! Oh my gosh, this smells like 4th grade. Pineapple chopsticks! You know, the ones that you could put on your keychains and you'd feel super cool. Because I drove a car in 4th grade. I mean, it's basically my skin color, so I think I can use this one as a... Whoops. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum... Hydra Glow Sleep Serum... Hydra Glow Sleep Serum... Hydra Glow Sleep Serum... Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs... That's the Boxy Premium, and I did a lot.